This $20 cut just earned its name as my money muscle. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to cook it perfectly. Drop a comment if you've tried this cut before. I want to hear your experience. My butcher did most of the heavy lifting, but let's clean this up. Trimming this fat cap down. We want some fat for moisture, but not too much. This cut is way easier to prep than a full brisket, which is part of why I love it. Injection time. This is where we create flavor from the inside out. I combine beef broth for moisture, soy sauce for that intense umami flavor, apple juice for a touch of sweetness, and mustard as an emulsifier to bind it all together. I fill the syringe, and the injection begins. Don't worry if you see some liquid leak out, it's completely normal. This beauty should be refrigerated overnight, so the flavors can penetrate deep into every fiber. Next day, and first thing, I'm patting this completely dry. Wet surface means the rub won't stick properly. First rub is my spicy blend. I'm coating every single surface, working it into all the crevices. Now the second rub, this one's packed with aromatics. I'm layering flavors here, building complexity. This double rub technique creates an insane bark that'll have everyone asking what you did differently. Pellet grill time. I'm loading cherry wood pellets, and here's why cherry matters. It gives a gorgeous deep mahogany color and a mild, slightly sweet smoke that won't overpower the meat. Setting this to 100 degrees Celsius, that's 212 Fahrenheit for the low and slow smoke phase. Meat goes on fat side up so it bastes itself as it cooks. Now we let the smoke work its magic. Quick question, what's your go-to smoking wood? Cherry, hickory, oak? Let me know below. Now the waiting game begins. I'm targeting 62 to 65 degrees Celsius internal. That's 144 to 149 Fahrenheit. This is where the transformation happens. The smoke is penetrating deep, creating that smoke ring. The bark is setting up, getting darker and crustier. That cherry wood is painting this beautiful color. At this low temperature, we're looking at about 3 to 4 hours for this phase. The key is patience. Don't rush this part. The smoke needs time to work, and low and slow is what makes this cut so special. We've hit 65 degrees Celsius, and look at that bark. Time to wrap. I'm using standard aluminum foil. For this, I use different foils because just one can tear. Here's the secret. I'm adding back all that leftover injection liquid we saved, plus butter. Yes, butter. This creates a braising environment that's going to make this insanely tender and juicy. Wrapping this tight, we don't want any steam escaping. Back on the grill it goes, and now I'm bumping the temperature because we're no longer absorbing smoke. We're in the tenderizing phase now, pushing to 90 to 92 degrees Celsius internal. The wrapped phase is faster. We're looking at another hour and a half to 2 hours. I'm monitoring closely now because we don't want to overcook this. At 90 degrees Celsius, I'm checking tenderness with my probe thermometer. It should slide in like butter with almost no resistance. We've hit 92 degrees Celsius and that probe test tells me we're done. I'm pulling it now because I don't want it completely fall apart tender. We want sliceable, juicy perfection. This is the sweet spot where it's tender but still has structure. Look at this. That bark is like candy, dark and crusty. Opening this up, and just look at that steam. Smell that aroma. The smoke ring is perfect, about 1/4 inch deep. Slicing against the grain here, and check out how juicy this is. The injection worked perfectly. Taking a bite, this is incredibly tender, super juicy, and those layers of flavor from the double rub and injection are hitting perfectly. The cherry smoke comes through but doesn't overpower. This is exactly what money muscle should be, so there you have it. My first money muscle, and now I understand why competition pitmasters love this cut. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe if you want more BBQ techniques and recipes. I'm testing new methods every week. And here's my question for you. What cut should I tackle next? Pork belly, tri-tip, beef ribs? Drop your vote in the comments and I'll make it happen. The highest vote